In today's video, I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes. I'm going to be stuffing my daily cash envelopes as well as my sinking funds envelopes. And I have some new envelopes, you guys. I finally created my envelopes for both of my binders. So I'm going to be switching those out and stuffing the envelopes. And if that is something that you are here for, just go ahead and stay tuned. If this is your first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasurers, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, I'm so happy that you guys have come back for yet another video. Make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up if you're already a bestie and you are here for all of it. Just go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you are new and you're like, girl, let me see what you're talking about, then you can wait until like the middle of the video and then you can give me a thumbs up. But let's go ahead and jump right on in. So first what we're going to do is we are going to start with my daily cash envelopes, and that is my groceries, my household, and my toiletries. And like I said, I finally created some new envelopes, guys. So they're cute, but I'm a little rusty. I used to have an Etsy shop and I was a lot better. So some of these, the words are not quite in the middle. It's been such a while since I have created cash envelopes. So go easy on me. So groceries is gonna get $100, which is 5 20s. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $100. And I like to have these type of envelopes for the zipper wallets. I got this wallet from So Crafty Sanat as well. Next is household, and household is going to get $40, and that's gonna be 2 20s. Oh, I do have an eating out envelope, but we're gonna be skipping that one. And I'm gonna be putting this in the household envelope. And then next is going to be toiletries. Toiletries is going to get $108. It's going to get 5 20s, a 5, and 3 1s. So you may be wondering, why do I have so much for toiletries? I need some skincare, you guys. I haven't had any in quite some time, like for my face. And I really need to get back on it because I can really see the difference. I'm not gonna get what I usually get, which is Tatcha brand, but that's a little bit more expensive. So I am going to be getting the, what is it called? Rihanna, her brand. I'm gonna be getting her system with the face wash and the what does she have? The serum, I think it is, the face wash, the serum, and then the moisturizer. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so skincare is really important. I've just been using bar soap lately because skincare sometimes can be a little bit expensive, and I have tried the cheaper brands and they just don't work for me. Hair, I'm not going to be getting anything. I only will utilize this envelope if I'm actually going to get my hair done. But if I do have a sinking fund for my hair money, I'm going to put it in there and then I'll transfer it. Rollover, I don't have anything for rollover. So basically what this wallet is going to be for is and really I actually want it to be called buffer, not rollover. So as I'm creating another envelope, I'm going to take this one and title it buffer. So this is if I'm out and I run out of money in any of these categories, I'll have a buffer amount here to help me to pay so that I don't have to go into my debit card or my account. And then bank, this is if I'm going to be depositing any money into the bank. So this is all that I am going to be stuffing for my daily envelopes. So next we are going to be getting into my sinking funds, and this is where I'm going to be changing some of the wallets out. So savings, I'm going to be changing this wallet out, or this envelope, and I want all of them to be in sync. So I'm going to be switching it from the gold to the pink, and I'm also going to be adding a new tracker in here. And I will complete the tracker later. I'm not gonna complete it here on camera because, well, let's see. So what we are starting with this balance is 1, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Now I did have a balance of $310 in here, but I did take out $150. I gave my daughter $100 for her birthday, and then I gave my little brother $50 for his birthday. So I'm a little short. I was gonna replenish it, but I'm just gonna start from where I am. So we got 100, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So we're starting with 160. And then with our savings, I am adding, did I not take the savings out? Oh wow, I forgot to take that out of the bank. I was supposed to take out $100 for savings. Whoops. Okay, so I didn't take the money out. So I will just, when I do my 1 week check-in, then I will hopefully have gone to the bank to take this out. So the trackers that I have here, I would really want them in pink, but I only had blue, so it's fine for right now. Okay, so car registration. I'm gonna be switching this car registration for pink envelope. See, I wanted this budget sheet. But anyway, so for car registration, it is going to be getting $27, a 20, a 5, and 2 ones. My car tags are gonna be due soon. All right, so car registration. I'm not gonna complete this right here. Just gonna complete this at another time. So what we have in here so far is 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So 238. And The reason why I'm not gonna complete the tracker is because I'm almost done and going to go get my tags, so I might as well just start fresh once I get my new tags. So the next envelope that I'm gonna be adding here is car maintenance. So this is gonna be a new sinking fund that I'm going to start contributing to for my car maintenance. And car maintenance is basically for my my car services. And then next is going to be car wash. So I am going to be using this for my car wash envelope. And I think I did have car wash in here in the car maintenance. So we're gonna be taking this out. And this is $20. And for the car wash, I am going to be adding $10. And I am going to be getting my car washed tomorrow, actually, because it is that time. All right, so that's everything for my car. And then trash is going to be getting $18. So I'm gonna be, I paid my trash bill. So this is actually, I'm gonna be saving for the next bill, which is due in December. And did I have a tracker for trash? Let's see. I thought I had a tracker for trash. Maybe not, I'll get it later. All right, and then giveaway. Giveaway is going to be getting $25, a 20 and a 5. We hit 25K, guys, so I'm excited about that. We are now at 25,000 subscribers, but we will be doing our giveaway at 30,000 subscribers. So I added the 25 to celebrate that we are at 25,000 subscribers. So for our giveaway, we're at 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 60, $64 in our giveaway, y'all. It's gonna be a good giveaway. It's gonna be good. Okay, and then next is debt, and I am not contributing anything to debt right now. That will be later. AAA, I'm going to be and then I'm going to be adding the reward envelope. This reward envelope, whenever I do pay off a debt, then I will reward myself with something that I want. And so I'm going to be saving up for that. I heavily believe in rewarding yourself. And so that's what we're gonna be doing. Okay, let me take all this out. So I think, let me see if this is enough. Well, I could still add more. So we got savings, car registration, car maintenance, car wash, trash, giveaways, debt, reward, and then I'm gonna be adding Costco. I do use my Costco card. Often I use it for gas, and I also bulk shop for certain things. So I'm gonna put Costco in here, and then I'm also going to put AAA in here as well, because I do have AAA and my daughter has it as well, so I pay for the both of us. And so I'm gonna add this here. This is everything that's gonna be in this binder. This binder is including things that I'm definitely going to be contributing to every single paycheck. Savings, car registration, car maintenance, car wash, trash, giveaways, debt, reward, and Costco, and AAA. I wouldn't say it's necessarily a high priority binder. I know that people have been categorizing their binders like that. It's just, that's something that I am contributing to right now at this time. So then I have created some other envelopes. Hairstylist, whenever I am going to get my hair done, this is the money that I'm going to use for the hairstylist. And then we have hair. So whenever I do get my hair done, whether it's braiding hair or weave hair, whatever hair, extensions, that is what this envelope is for. Nail shop, the good old nail shop. I get my nails done and I have started to pay for them myself again. And so I have an envelope for that. And then skincare, we just talked about skincare. I do want to start a sinking fund for that because it is expensive for what I like. I want to save towards that. And then cleaners, and then medical. So this medical is really for like if I have run out of Advil, or if I have a prescription that I need to pick up, or co-payments at the doctor if I'm going for my yearly checkups and things like that. That is what this envelope is for. So this is kind of like a self-care binder, if you will. And so I'm actually going to be using this binder that I've had in the past. And these were my bill binders. This was everything, all the bills that I had. If you go back, you'll be able to see where I was saving money for my bills. And so I'm still actually going to use these, but I'm not going to start contributing cash to my bills and getting 1 month ahead and 2 and 3 and 4 months ahead until I'm done paying off my debt. So I'm gonna save these envelopes. So then in here will be for my hair stylist, my hair, nail shop. I'm gonna put the trackers in later, but I believe that there's some money because I still have some left here. So this that I had in this envelope is actually for my hairstylist. And so I'm gonna put this here. This is $450. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50. It's for a hairstyle that I want. I've been wanting it for so long. I just decided to go ahead and do it. And then the hair, I have not started contributing to that yet. And nail shop is going to get $70, which is a 50 and a 20. And I don't think I've contributed to any of these yet. I think what's left is 100, 20, 30. This is for my HOA actually. And I do have an HOA. That's this wallet. The HOA will actually go in here. And this HOA is $133. This is how much I'll take out every paycheck, and then I will deposit it back into the bank. Okay, it just works best for me that way. And I'm gonna put HOA, the second envelope here. This is kind of like mortgage or whatnot. So these are all of my new envelopes. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. And if you made it to the end, give me a pink heart in the comments. And I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.